Jacob, you're just fussing. You're just fussing. You gotta wake up from your nap. You've been sleeping for so long. Stretch. What? Is somebody hungry? Is somebody hungry? Yeah. Mommy's so mean. She got him to let you your milk for 1 minute to get a cute video. You hungry, little guy? You're so cute. Okay, Mommy will feed you right now. Say bye, everybody.